Welcome to the United States of America, circa 2026. Take a look at Wall Street, look at Silicon Valley, look at a cashier at a grocery store in Ohio, or a broker in Miami. What do they all have in common? The answer is simple: their wallets have gone digital. In the last 2 years, America has made the most massive financial pivot in its history. Just yesterday, the skeptics in Washington were calling crypto a bubble. Today, Bitcoin is an official reserve asset being discussed in the White House right alongside oil prices and treasury yields. If you are in America and you still think crypto is just a toy for teenagers, you are making the most expensive mistake of your life. In 2026, the rules of the game have changed forever. This isn't chaos anymore. This is the new American financial machine. Today on this channel, we are breaking down exactly how crypto trading works inside the United States. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon to stay in the loop and never miss the critical insights on how the global economy is shifting. We continue. Let's get into the most important event that flipped American finance on its head. In March of 2026, the Clarity Act has officially taken center stage. For years, there was a literal war between the SEC and the CFTC over who gets to control the market. But now, that debate is over. According to the new Joint Regulatory Guidance, the U.S. has officially launched a clear classification system for tokens. Bitcoin and Ethereum are now recognized as digital commodities under the supervision of the CFTC. This means trading them in America is now just as legal and protected as trading oil or gold. Other assets have been categorized as digital securities, stablecoins, or collectible assets. For the American citizen, this means the end of the Wild West era. Every dollar invested in crypto inside the States is now protected with the same intensity as your deposit at J.P. Morgan. Subscribe to this channel. We are continuing to track how American influence is shaping the crypto market so you always know which way the wind is blowing on Wall Street. In 2026, your social security number is your master key to the market. This is the American model: freedom through order. What separates a trader in the U.S. from everyone else in the world? It's the mindset. In America, we don't just buy coins, we build portfolios. In 2026, crypto has become an organic part of the typical American 401k retirement plan. The average American investor today isn't chasing moonshots on shady projects. They are investing in American leadership. We are watching capital flow from gold into digital assets right before our eyes. In New York and Chicago, trading is viewed as a profession, not a lottery. American investors were the first to realize that Bitcoin is digital real estate in Manhattan. You don't sell it the moment the price dips. You hold it because you know the supply of this digital land is limited. To make sure you don't miss new episodes on the psychology of big money and to stay informed on the strategies of America's wealthiest, subscribe to our channel right now. We continue. There is something else that defines the American market in 2026. And that is the total dominance of artificial intelligence. In the United States, trading has stopped being a battle of intuition. Now it is a battle of algorithms. Today, in New York and San Francisco, the brightest minds are creating personal AI agents that analyze Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speeches in real time, reading the slightest changes in his facial expressions and tone of voice. For the American investor, this means a new era of smart passive income. We see Wall Street hedge funds opening access to their neural networks for ordinary citizens through licensed apps. This is the democratization of capital, the American way, when the power of supercomputers is available not just to the elite, but to everyone with a smartphone and faith in American technology. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We are continuing to watch how neural networks are changing the rules of the game in the U.S. so that you are always one step ahead of the market. Now let's talk about what makes the American system unique and, at times, intimidating. Taxes. In 2026, the IRS has tools that allow them to see every single transaction you make. If you bought a coffee with Bitcoin at a Starbucks in Seattle, the IRS already knows. In America, crypto trading is a constant game of chess with the government. But this is exactly where the most brilliant financial strategies are born. Wealthy Americans use tax loss harvesting. If the market goes down, an American locks in a loss to lower their total tax bill, then immediately reopens the position. It's legal, it's effective, and it is quintessentially American. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay connected and be in the know on how to legally optimize your finances by American standards. We continue. How exactly does America trade in 2026? The era of simple spot buying is over. Today, the U.S. is the land of derivatives and ETFs. When BlackRock opened the floodgates, money that had been sitting in Apple and Microsoft stocks for decades came pouring into crypto. Now, any American can buy a piece of Bitcoin through their regular brokerage account on Robinhood or Charles Schwab. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's look even deeper. In 2026, in states like Florida and Texas, buying a home with cryptocurrency has become common. But the most interesting part is the emergence of crypto mortgages. Now, American banks accept your Bitcoins as collateral, issuing low-interest loans without the need to sell your assets. This allows Americans to keep their share of digital gold while living in the real home of their dreams. This is the hidden mechanism of keeping wealth within the country. America has created a system where you don't need to cash out to spend money. You simply use the liquidity of your tokens. We see entire residential blocks in Miami being tokenized, allowing you to own 1,000th of a luxury skyscraper and receive income in stablecoins every month. Subscribe to this channel and stay with us so you don't miss exclusive breakdowns of how the real estate market works in the new digital America. Capital here never sleeps. American algorithms on servers in Virginia are processing millions of trades per second, keeping us in the lead. We must also discuss the rise of American crypto cities. In 2026, places like Austin, Texas, and Cheyenne, Wyoming, have rewritten their local laws to become tax havens for digital entrepreneurs. These cities are attracting the brightest minds in the country, creating thousands of high-paying jobs in the blockchain sector. If you live in these zones, you are experiencing the future of the American economy firsthand, where municipal services and local taxes are handled entirely through smart contracts. This local innovation is what keeps the United States at the forefront of the global financial revolution. And finally, we cannot ignore the foundation of this system: energy. In 2026, the United States officially became the mining capital of the world. Texas has turned into the energy hub of the planet, where surplus solar and wind energy is directed to support the Bitcoin network. For America, this is a matter of national security. When the power of the blockchain is backed by American gas and American sun, it makes the dollar and Bitcoin practically inseparable. We see ordinary American farmers in Iowa installing mining containers, turning the natural resources of their land into digital capital. This is a new form of American entrepreneurship, where every watt of energy works to strengthen our country's financial dominance. To stay in the loop on how U.S. energy affects your crypto portfolio, subscribe to our channel right now. To wrap it up, one thing is certain: crypto trading in the United States in 2026 isn't about get rich quick. It's about a new form of ownership. It's about participating in the life of a great country through the most advanced tools ever created. America has given us everything: the rules, the safety, the tools, and the liquidity. Now, it's all up to you. Will you just watch from the sidelines as the financial landscape of our country changes? Or will you become part of the movement? Remember, in this market, the winner isn't the one who takes the most risk, it's the one who best understands the rules of the game. The hidden rules we discuss right here on this channel. We believe that financial freedom is a right for anyone willing to learn and take action. The American market is giving you that chance. Don't miss it. If you want to dive deeper into how modern American millionaires think and the strategies they use to keep their capital in 2026, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now to stay in the loop and never miss the most important updates. Hit that like button if this breakdown was helpful, and definitely share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think America looks like 5 years from now? Thanks for being with us. Stay tuned to our channel. Your wealth is in your hands. We'll see you in the next video.